Using a pressure washer surface cleaner can drastically improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your cleaning tasks, but missteps can lead to unsatisfactory results or even damage. Here are 5 common mistakes to avoid to ensure you're getting the most out of your cleaning equipment. 1. Using incorrect pressure settings. A common error is failing to adjust the pressure settings according to the surface you're cleaning. Too high of a PSI can damage delicate surfaces like painted concrete or wooden decks, while too low of a PSI might not remove stubborn grime from tougher surfaces like driveways or stone. For instance, using a 3000 PSI setting on a driveway can work wonders, but the same pressure on a wooden deck might strip away the finish. Adjusting the pressure for each specific task ensures optimal cleaning without damaging the surface. 2. Tilting the surface cleaner during use. Another frequent mistake is tilting the surface cleaner while in use. Most surface cleaners are designed with a rotating nozzle system that works best when the device remains level to the ground. Tilting can disrupt the even spray pattern, causing streaks and uneven cleaning. To avoid this, keep the surface cleaner steady and ensure it is always aligned with the surface. Many surface cleaners come with wheels that maintain balance, so you can focus on guiding it without worrying about tilting. 3. Rushing through the job. It's tempting to speed up the process when using a surface cleaner, especially on large areas, but rushing leads to ineffective cleaning. Moving too quickly prevents the nozzles from thoroughly removing dirt and debris, leaving behind spots and stains. Instead, move the surface cleaner at a consistent and moderate pace, allowing enough time for the rotating nozzles to do their job effectively. For stubborn stains or heavy dirt buildup, consider going over the area a second time. 4. Skipping pre-cleaning tasks. Some users dive straight into using the surface cleaner without first removing large debris like rocks, leaves, or sticks. This debris can block the nozzles or be forced into the surface, causing scratches or marks. Before starting, clear the area of any large debris. This simple step ensures that the surface cleaner can perform at its best without interference, leaving you with cleaner, safer results. 5. Ignoring safety precautions. Finally, failing to follow basic safety precautions is a common mistake that can lead to injury. Pressure washers are powerful tools, and using a surface cleaner increases the force and impact. Without proper safety gear, such as goggles, gloves, and non-slip footwear, you expose yourself to potential harm. Also, make sure there are no people or pets nearby when operating the surface cleaner. The high-pressure water stream can cause significant injuries, and debris kicked up from the surface can be hazardous.